and welcome to another lesson. Patreon time. Thank you to all these patrons for voting for this one in last month's vote. We had a couple of close ones actually. They're all Alison chains, so I'm going to do another one, or at least one, maybe two of these ones. So if you voted for the other ones, don't worry, you're probably going to see them all. So tuning, standard fare, just down half a step, and I'm using drop pedal from Digitech. So normally, I'm going to put it on. I've moved my hand, it's just gone down half a step. Now, if you love a lot of Alison chains and switch about but don't have guitars tuned in specific tunings, this is a superb pedal. Go check it out. And tone wise, I'm going for these settings on my Friedman BOD. But I'm going to roll my volume back for the verse. Okay, and then turn it up for the... So the first riff goes like this. I find it easier to fret this on my first, third and fourth fingers. You might be able to do it flat, but I can't. I think it gives you a bit more control over moving your fingers about, because that's your first finger is going to come off and on for this, and your second finger is going to hit the third fret on the low E. So the first part goes, then so that's the first bit. Then you take your first and your second fingers off. So slowly. Then resume that first chord. And that's just up and down arpeggiation of the same chord. So you're only really doing three movements. That's the first one with your second finger hitting the third fret. Second one is taking them both off. The third one is putting your first finger back on the second fret on the A. So that whole bit slowly. Then you repeat the first bar again. And then you're going to play. Okay, so that's the open A, then the third fret bent sharp about a quarter step. But I keep my third and my fourth fingers there, because then you're going to go for the last part. So the last two bars are. And then back around. So the whole thing slowly. And to speed. Like that, sounds great. And then coming out of it, you play. Giving you a bit of time to roll the volume back up, all right? So then you're going to play this. Pretty straightforward. You play that around a few times. It's a B5 to a G to an A to an E with this rhythm. Second time, you play the A twice, and then you do a little bend on the third fret again. Okay? So coming out of that, I think it holds out for another bar, so it would be this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the fourth time, and then you go back into that. So all you're doing there is playing D5 to A, and then back into those chords. All right, so slowly. So you start on the first fret on the A, so B flat, and then you're going to slide up, slide down, slide up, between the first fret and the second fret. Same thing on the next string down, but you're just doing a slide up and a slide down. Like that, and then the rest are palm muted. Like that. And then the last time in. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and don't worry, the solo is going to be done soon as well. I just haven't had time. I've been chasing my tail all week, so it's coming. See you again soon. Cheers, bye-bye.